In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can add the follow button to your Facebook page. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Facebook page, and I'm going to do that right now. So this is my Facebook page, and to add the follow button to your Facebook page, it's very easy and quick. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to open your Facebook page, as you can see. Okay, now the next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click these three little dots, and then you need to click on edit action button and click try it. And here you want to find something that says here follow button. Okay, search for it. Now most people, like 90% of people who are going to watch this video, they won't be able to find here follow button. That's why I'm showing you guys 3 easy methods to do that. Okay, even if you can't see here follow button. Now if you want to add, for example, send a message, you can add it. You can add send a WhatsApp message, call now, send email, contact us. But to add the follow button, I'm gonna be showing you 2 other methods. If the first one doesn't work, like if you can't find follow button when you click on action button, then follow these 2 other methods. Okay, so the second method is to switch to your Facebook profile, like your normal Facebook. Now if you don't know that Facebook has released a new feature, it's called for professional mode, and this feature is literally better than having a Facebook page, because you can literally turn, or you can like turn your own profile or your own Facebook profile into a page, and you can have a follow button, and like you can also post videos, and you can make money inside your own Facebook. Like this is a new feature, guys, if you don't know it. So I'm going to turn professional mode. I'm going to, like, as you can see, these 3 little dots, I'm going to turn off the professional mode, and I'm going to show you guys how you can turn it on. Okay, so as you can see, you will receive payments, and you can like post videos, and like Facebook will promote these videos. It's just like you have a page. Okay, literally the same thing. So this is literally a good idea. Like this second method that I'm showing you right now is literally the best idea. I would highly suggest doing this. So just click on these 3 little dots and click on let me just reload this page. Like click on these 3 little dots, like I said, as you can see, these 3 little dots. Click on turn on professional mode, and as you can see, it says here turn on professional mode, and you can get paid for your content. If you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content, and you can also grow your audience. As you can see, your profile's follow setting will be set to public, so anyone can see your public content in their feed. You can still share privately to friends. If you want to post some videos specifically for your friends, you can do that. If you don't want your videos to be public, you can do that. That's the beauty, guys, of this. And you can see the contact insights. Okay, you can see everything. Click on turn on, click on done, and as you can see, guys, now if someone visits your own Facebook profile, they will be able to see this, as you can see, follow button. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, the second method. Now the third method is very simple, but it takes like 24 hours. Okay, you want to open your own Facebook page again. Okay, your own Facebook page, you want to open it. Click on your profile picture in the top right. Click on help and support. Click on report a problem. Click on help us improve Facebook. Click include in report. This is very important. And then here you need to select pages. Okay, make sure you select pages before you do anything. Pages, and here you need to enter here, hi Facebook, I would like to have follow button inside my Facebook page. Okay, you need to type the exact same thing, or you can type anything similar to this. Okay, you just need to state that you need a follow button on your Facebook page, and then click submit. So this will take a few hours, from like 3 hours to 24 hours, so you need to be patient. And also Facebook will not do anything if it's Sunday, so only business days. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. Please, if you can drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video. See you. Let me know in the comments if you need any help. I reply to every single comment.